Hey, hello guys, so welcome back to Hackers Colony once again, and this is Azhar. So guys, today's in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a lost Instagram account password, or if you have an Instagram account but you don't have a recovery email or phone number and you want to get your Instagram account back. So guys, what you need to do guys, simply follow the video from start to end, and I'm going to guide you how to get your Instagram account password in very easy step. And guys, just to let you know guys, this video is only for educational purposes to help get your Instagram account back. So guys, watch the video from start to end guys, and guys, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, do like, subscribe and click on bell icon for more ethical hacking videos. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up the Termux, then type apt update and an apt upgrade and hit on enter and wait for a while. This will update and upgrade all the packages in your Termux. And then once this is done, go for the next command, that is pkg install git, then hit on enter. And once this is done, you have to go for the next command, that is git clone. So guys, making sure you're typing the spelling in lowercase, git space clone space, and then I have given the git clone link in the description, so kindly check the description. And if you have any problem, you can comment or you can join a group. I have given the group link in the description. You can check from there, and join a group will be able to help you from there as well. Then hit on enter. It will take a while, so you have to have some patience and wait for a while. Once this is done, you have type ls, then type cd space brutex insta, then space, then type ls, then type chmod space plus x space star, hit on enter. Then you have to type the last command, that is bash space start.sh, then hit on enter. Now guys, this will take maybe a minute or two depending on your internet connection, so you have to wait, have some patience. In the meantime, while it's getting downloaded, you need to just go back and subscribe and click on the bell icon, and in the meantime you can join a group as well where you can learn many things for free. So once it will take some time. And guys, let you know one more thing guys, this tool is not free. Okay, this tool is not free, I'm reminding again. So guys, once this will be completed, you will be able to get a message. Okay, there will be a message displaying that this tool is not free. So if you want to use this tool for free, you have to be our subscriber. Like, let me show you over here. Okay, once you can see this HCU Brutex. Now here you can see a message displaying over here. This tool is free for our subscribers. So once you see this message, just be over here. It will take you to a YouTube app. Okay, automatically it will take you to a YouTube app. Now you can see my YouTube is open over here, right? So here what you need to do guys, you need to subscribe and click on bell icon, making sure you are clicking on subscribe button and bell icon, and then you have to go back and then you will be able to use the tool. If you don't subscribe, you won't be able to use the tool. Subscribe, click on bell icon and come back to the Termux, and then you will be able to see the tool will be working. So now here you can see, after reading this, press enter. So just hit on enter. After that, you have to type, it says here username, so you have to type your Instagram username for which you want to find the password. So for example, I'm just showing my account, that is mystery me, and hit on enter, and you have to wait for a while. Okay, so automatically you will be able to see this this tool has started to find the password for your Instagram account. So you can see password not match, so it will keep on searching for the password until it find the right password. Okay, so guys, it might take maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. So what you need to do guys, simply minimize like this, and you can use your phone, you can do your work, study and all, and you can subscribe our group in the meantime, and then come back and then you can check over here. If it's still running, you can just minimize it. So you have to wait until it's done. Once it is done, it will say password found, and it will give you a password in green color. So that's all for now guys, and video was still here only guys. If you found this video helpful and interesting guys, and want to learn more ethical hacking guys, do subscribe our channel, click on bell icon and support us guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video guys. See you in the next video guys.